Hello guys. Gymnastics challenge with us. And this is
First level to hardest level. Aray! My bell just hurt my legs.
we need to get to
I'm
the
gonna kill my
hardest
back. I'm gonna kill my
or
back.
that's wrong.
We're just gonna do this for the first time, diba?
Yeah, I'm gonna break
I'm gonna try. I'm gonna play and break
Okay, let's start. 1, 2,
First easy mode! Gaganto, tapos gaganon ko ikaw doon sa likod ko sa ulo.
dito ka.
Imagine mo na fart.
1,
Ano ba?
wait lang. Doon ka sa likod. Doon ka sa likod.
God!
Unahan ko. Ulit. Take 2. Dito usod ka dito makita. 1, 2, 3, go.
Sakit!
First easy.
My hair! Ow! My hair's pulling off! Ouch! It's drama!
1 minute later.
Sorry, it's drama! Go! It's drama! I gotta do it. Next is definitely the tumbling.
Medium.
Next one is like this. Easy mode pa rin. 2x2 para di mabilis.
Okay. Ako magagano lang.
Next,
Parang,
easy mode. Iba naman.
hindi yung full speed.
You're just gonna do this, I think. Oh, that's not even a full spoon. I'm literally so close to being perfect, but I cannot. Ayaw mo rin ko ito.
Ganyan ka lang.
Like, ganito.
Lie down.
Tapos gaganan ikaw dito para parang nandito yung pato.
Okay, wait, lie down.
Babalik talaga yung likod ko sa'yo. Next, we're gonna do a cool trick by each other. Go there. Yung parang nagawa ko.
What? Ay, okay.
Yung parang nagawa ko, ganon. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Don't do that.
Yung cartwheel naman, tapos ako lang mag-ano parang half split. Go.
Next level.
Medium.
It's time for splitting, tumbling. This is
Tumbling ka.
I'm gonna bally my leg.
2, 3.
You're just gonna bally? Yeah! To my back! Photo, right? Diba? That was a mistaken photo.
We should just delete the other part of this video. Like, what the heck?
Oh,
What the?
I didn't say it. Bad answer. How? How did it?
My mother is literally my eyes because
You mean our
she.
mother? You mean our mother?
Yeah, our mother.
You mean our mother?
What the
girl?
hell?
You mean our
Ay, ito
mother?
namang ball.
You mean our mother?
Your
Bullseye!
just joking. Another one.
Legendary speed, 1 moment, run. Legendary.
Yeah. Another part of video. Okay. Iba naman nalaroin namin.
Oh, I have an idea. We're just... Cut the screen.
No, cut.
Let's play Avatar World, everyone. So we're not gonna go this
So
We're gonna get
that's how that is for
We're
today,
gonna make our
guys.
first channel of Avatar World right now, right?
Yeah.
Let's get our
Bye bye,
phone.
guys. Mamaya
Let's
na
get our
lang
phone.
Avatar World because bye bye.
Right now, guys. Okay.
Stay tuned for the Avatar video. Bye
We're gonna make who has the bestest creation of their house.
Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
Guys, this is the part 3. Part 2 because my mom just kicked me out in the room. So we're here back. We're next to the the cake cutter. Got me. Just face our bed.
Ayun, ayun! Yes, got to be
Shine.
You're getting down.
Go. May great ako idea. I got a great idea.
I'm gonna win. Who is gonna win? Some more. I'm gonna win. This thing doesn't have.
Alam ko na.
Oh, this one.
Great idea. Ay, nice. Kailangan mabulsay.
Bow! Anong bullseye?
Ito. Ako maghahawak. Go.
Paano yan? Sige.
Hindi! Kunin mo yung bola mo. Sinalagay mo.
This is not gonna work. This is just gonna go to the phone. Sorry, video. We're just gonna do this so you can see. Later, we're gonna finish. Okay. Go. Ba't nagkabaliktad eh?
Okay.
Ah,
bullseye!
Huwag din sabihin para alam ng mga people. Next is this. Another bulls. Bulls daw, hindi tandawala. Oh.
Oh, what?
It's talisik! Magsabihin. Ulit.
Cut! Cut!
Cut!
guys.
Cut!
Cut! Down!
Cut! 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 Cut!
So,
No more cut!
did we cut video or not?
Yeah, this is gonna be.
Cut na naman. Another cut. Bye. Another cut. Oh my God, guys. What the heck? What are you doing? Ako naman maglalagay ng ball.
Bow, let's do 2 by 2. Cut!
Now,
Cut the bullseye!
hard cut. No, no, no.
Ano, no,
Oh my
no.
God.